If you're a working woman, then I'm sure you relate to the struggles of shopping for yourself, going to the office with the right kind of outfit, and always ending up wearing the same thing. So that's when Style Nook comes in. So it's very simple. You need to go to the Style Nook site, and they ask you all these questions: that what kind of clothes do you like, if you like short clothes, or if you're comfortable in full sleeves or half sleeves, and if you like kurtas or dresses, casual wear, or corporate wear, or semi-casual wear, all these kind of personal questions. And then obviously they ask you for your measurements to get the correct size. Then there's also this section where you can add personal notes which might not have been asked by them, or if you just want to add something and tell them that this and this is my style, and this and this is a thing that I don't like to wear, so you can add that as well. So then StyleNook hires a stylist just for your account, and based on the questionnaires that you have answered, she is going to pick certain clothes and styles which you might like, and then they send it across to you. So once you receive the box, you get a 3-day time where you get to try all the products, see if it works for you or not, and return the products that you don't like and keep the products that you loved it. So when you order these boxes, you don't have to pay anything. You just have to pay a 250 rupees charge. That is kind of the styling charge that they take. But that also gets deducted when you keep the products in the box. Like for example, if you're keeping a product that is worth 1000, then 250 rupees will be deducted from that amount, and you just have to pay 750. I thought of trying them, and I got this huge box from Style Nook. So I basically wanted products which are not very corporate and yet very stylish. So all my products in this box are very semi-casual, semi-corporate. The first thing I get is this grey shrug. It has embroidered details, and you can actually style them over a kurta or a dress, and it gives a very semi-formal vibe. So I think it's a really multi-purpose piece of clothes. Next I've got is this dress. It's a bodycon dress. Bodycons look really nice in a formal wear, and I personally love them for any corporate meeting, or if I have to attend a formal evening or anything like that. And the fit of this one was really nice, and I didn't expect this to be that good. When I saw them, I thought that it would be too tight, but it's really of the perfect size. Third item in the box is this blue shirt. It has bow details on the neck, and it's full sleeves. It's a classic shirt, and it can never go wrong if you're going to the office or any formal evening. And I love the color. The color is really bright, and that's what I was looking for. I did not want dull colors in my formal wear, so I really liked this one. Then they have sent a skirt. It's an A-line skirt. Again, A-line skirt is a classic when it comes to office wear. So I mean, there's nothing wrong that can go with it. The last thing I received in this box are these gold toned earrings, but I'm not sure if these might work for an office wear. They're sure stylish and cute, but for an office wear, I don't know if it will work or not. So I've got 5 products in this box, but what they have done very smartly, and I really liked this actually about StyleNook, is that they have sent me 2 looks. If you're someone who's not into fashion, or just don't understand what works with what, then this really sorts out your problem, because they're sending you a complete outfit. Like the shirt will work with the skirt, and the dress will work with the shrug. So you don't have to think that, okay, I've got the shirt, it looks nice, but how do I style it? So that problem is solved by StyleNook stylist itself. You can actually see the thought they have put in styling these pieces, because I can actually relate to these looks. If I would have gone out shopping for corporate looks, I would have definitely picked a bodycon and a skirt. So that's a really good thing about StyleNook, and I completely enjoyed the experience I had. When it comes to brands, all the brands are pretty decent. Like I've got Chemistry, I've got the Label Life, Kazo and stuff. And these are not exactly subscription box. Subscription box mainly, sends you products just once a month. So if you want more product in a month, you can obviously request for another box immediately after you've received a box. You can use my code while placing an order for this box. It will give you 500 rupees off. I hope you guys are going to give this one a try because it's a really nice concept and I really liked how they have come up with a site that is completely dedicated to working women. You don't actually have to go online and filter all the products and then see if you like this or you like that. You get everything at your doorsteps and you get to try them as well. So yeah, that's it.